Feeling good. You know me.
Happy birthday! We love you!
Sabay tayo.
Happy birthday, Owa! Thank you po sa lahat. I hope you enjoy your special day po. I love you, Owa. Thank you po sa lahat.
Look good, smell good as a vibe. It's a rocks on my wrist, it's a vibe.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Thanks for everything.
Ma, happy birthday! We love you! Mag-usap na lang tayo sa reimbursement ng pamasahe namin ha. Mamaya, love you!
Feeling good, 'cause I never say never.
Happy birthday, Owa. Thank you so much for everything. Sana masaya ka. We love you so much.
Feeling good.
Happy birthday, Ma. Paulit-ulit naman sinasabi ko, thank you na hindi mo kami sinukuan, and I'll always be proud to be called na nag-iisang anak na babae ni Reyna Elena. I love you. Happy birthday. Wishing you nothing but good health and long life. We love you so much.
I'm feeling good. Feeling good. I can't let it go.
Really happy birthday. I wish you good health and many more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ma! Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Stay healthy at saka God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellie. Wish you all the best. Good health and ano pa ba?
Check!
Isa pa ba, Kuya?
Mga kababayan ko!
Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good, 'cause I never say never.
Masayang, masayang, masayang. Nandito silang lahat.
Always feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good.
Happy birthday, Owa. Thank you sa lahat ng guidance na binigay mo sa amin. Simula nung bata. More blessings to come and long life. Happy birthday, Owa.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Hindi ko na-expect to na makapag-work sa government. Pero got lucky kasi there's a big time sa government pa, which is sa sheriff department pa. Then, eto na nga. So, nasa government na ako. I'm very glad. I'm very happy. Kaya ngayon, nagyayabang ko sa iyo, sa lahat, na every time na gamit ko itong jacket na to, Sheriff LA County, because of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Owa! Wishing you good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Thank you for everything. Alam mo yan.
I'm a happy birthday. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you very much for your support. Wishing you all the best. Sana marami pang blessings, marami pang birthday, marami pang reunion. Lagi tayo sana magkakasama. Sana hindi ito ang lahat.
Salamat, dear God, sa blessing ng magandang panahon at tigil ang ulan para ma-celebrate namin itong araw na ito para sa pinaka-deserving na tao sa buong mundo.
Happy birthday po, Owa. Mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa lahat po. Happy birthday, Owa. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Owa. Salamat sa lahat ng ginawa po para sa amin at mahal na mahal kita po.
Thank you, Lord, sa pagbigay niyo ng lakas ng katawan, isip and good health kay mama namin para makasama namin siya ngayon to celebrate her life and for giving us this opportunity to show her and make her feel how much we love her.